Okay. Now, Manong is here. Let's go. Alas tayo guys. Sunday today. So, we'll go to the beach. Mag-swim si Mishka sa pool.
Mama is driving.
Yes. So, here's our cottage. Dito kami ngayon sa Shelton Beach. Let's check their swimming pool. Mimi, you wanna go swim?
Yeah.
Now? Sweet. Ito ka pala, bala to? Tapos ang mabal ko.
Pwede man?
Saguaan. Hold! No one will go with you because it's time to eat. Is it Burberry? Good job, Mimi! Good job! Good job, princess! What did you find? Oh no, so dirty. Hindi nga lang malinis yung beach dito sa Punta Taytay. So this is Villarosa Beach and dito naman is yung Shelton Resort. Beach Resort ata. Dito kami ngayon sa taas kasi meron silang parang viewing deck or cafe sa the rooftop. This is our view. It's not yet done. Hindi pa tapos yung cafe nila dito. Parang tambayan.
The drawing. See, you want to go to jail because the police is there standing.
Yeah, it's polluted. So many garbage.
There's hundred up there.
Yeah.
1,000,000.
Uwian na. Mopod kasama hindi. Kay dati mo ya. Hindi sa magapod to. Tadasig na. I want to go with you. This one, Mami Kay. I'll go inside na. Dito tayo kay Daiki sasakay. Actually, si Blue wala dito. Hindi namin siya kasama kasi meron siyang practice sa kanyang basketball. Meron silang training. So, dadaanan natin siya doon ngayon. And kami, punta kaming Mr. DIY kasi kailangan naming maghanap ng charger cord kasi nasira yung isang charger namin. Kailangan namin bumili. Yung maganda, meron na ditong Mr. DIY dito sa Sumag area. Hindi na namin kailangan pumunta sa Bacolod. Usually yung mga tindahan, mga bilihan talaga nasa main city, nasa Bacolod City. Si Mishka po, nakakita yung anong Blue. Dito yung practice ni Blue. Tapos na siya. Tapos ka na to, Al? Gina pa? Bago lang? Pwede kami kita practice mo ba? Let's go. Mimi, come on.
Outside mall.
Yeah, we're in SM.
Nice.
Sinong step guys, dumaan yung barko nila sa Quezon. So yung dalawang boys
We only
pumunta sa Quezon, malapit sa Quezon area para i-meet si daddy nila.
Talking.
Pila lang ka oras, no?
ha?
Pila ka oras mo panaog?
Gabi masulod pa kami ba pero sila mabiyahe man eh.
Ah,
Mapuli na sa dito guys.
until night they can stay there, but these two boys they will
Go.
just go.
Tiyo, ikot tiyo.
2 hours. 2 hours they have to travel. Hello.
Ay, may si Manong Tit. Tell Manong Tit na.
Going to Paranaque.
Say, Mishka.
What to say to Manong Tit? Daddy Tib.
Say, Mishka.
But if you
Si Manong Tit.
maybe 4 to 5 hours.
We are
Manong
also
Tit,
strolling punta tatay.
Babalik mo, bebe.
Sige nang. Daddy mo.
Okay.
Halong ka mo da.
Sige, lumpa ka muna. Barber, love you, Barber.
Rock and roll.
Globe. Anong globe? Globe.
Ha?
Globe. Anong permis sa basket, ha?
Oo.
Sige.
Oo.
Sige na po kami.
Alam mo.
Anong?
Oo.
Ayan, dyan tayo pupunta na Mr. DIY. We bought the cable na hinahanap ni Abhi para sa kanyang charger. And we also bought this handheld fan. Kasi halos lahat dito gumagamit nito. Yung sobrang init talaga kapag lumalabas ka ng tanghali. So this is good quality. Sabi nung andun sa Mr. DIY. Actually, she's crying kasi si Berber bumili ng bagong toy and gusto niya bumili ng toy para sa kanya pero hindi siya namin binibilhan. She already have a lot of toys sa aming bagahe. And pauwi ng India. Ang dami na naman yung toy na dagdag. Just don't take out the plastic. Keep it there. No? Matagal na to ni Abi pinaplano na bilhan ako nitong fan. Kasi ang init kapag lumalabas kami and meron akong paypay. So sabi niya, bibilhan kita ng fan.
SM Mall.
Where are we going?
Ayun. Drop Berber.
And home.
Yeah.
Wow.
The way you have managed, I appreciate it. You've done a great job. Like, you have been a big girl and you can buy plastic. Plastic is not good. Plastic cigarettes in the ocean. How many garbage they were having. Because of all plastic, all fish will die. We don't waste, take by unnecessary plastic. I don't like plastic. What? You like doctors? So when you will become big, you become a doctor. Okay. No, but if you really want to be a doctor, then when you become big, then you become a doctor.
I don't want to grow big
Then what do you want?
because I'm just a kid. I don't want.
You don't want to be big. You
No.
want to be baby girl one day. Only my baby girl. Oh.
Dito kami ngayon kay Toto kasi magluluto siya ng patutin. What ice cream is that? Ano na siyang ice cream, Ber? Namitan ka na, Graham ice cream ni Guru ay. Ha? Namit, hindi.
Namet.
Tod.
Why? Take out plastic.
Ito yung luto ni Toto na patutin with pineapple. Ito yung ating hapunan.
Is that Jesus and Mama Mary?
Yeah.
But Jesus already went to heaven.
Jesus went to heaven and then Jesus is alive again.